I was not prepared for that.
Yeah?
Oh, I don't know if I can. That's crazy.
You ever borrow something, try to drive it, and it's not what you expected? That's what happened to me on this boat in Florida.
Turn it.
Like, can you see it? Like, I'm flexing so freaking hard right now.
Flexing hard.
Oh my God.
I'll get to what was wrong with that boat in a bit, but first let me explain why I was there. This is me, and this is my drone. I'm not very good at flying it. This is Christine Lozada and her funky dance moves.
Whoop. I'm Christine with Where in the World is CL, and I make travel videos every week to help you get up, get out, and go travel.
She also has a channel where she teaches drone photography. Links, and uses her drone to take some killer footage. Okay, I know. Why is my boating channel talking about drones? Well, it's because I think you deserve epic establishing shots. So I packed some of my captain's hats, got to the airport, and met the fabulous Christine. It turns out she's teeny tiny. She's like that big. After a few pointers on land, where I did okay, we got on a boat and got these awesome shots. Ah, yes. So the boat had some steering issues. Because it's a rental, I'm not really gonna bother diagnosing the problem, though I could take a pretty good guess at what it was. It's water in the hydraulic steering. There. That ka-chunk is it trying to compress air and water instead of hydraulic fluid. Fortunately for yours truly, taking your time and not fiddling with the helm a whole lot is kind of my specialty. So bringing this boat back into the dock really wasn't that big a deal. I mean, it was hard. That helm was crazy heavy. And before I forget, I did manage to learn how to catch my drone after some practice. If you want to learn all the tips that Christine taught me on this adventure, go check out Christine's video, link somewhere.